Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your IRA to Betterment for automatic investing, full guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Betterment website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your email and creating a password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or investment accounts section. Look for the option to add a retirement account, specifically an IRA. Select the type of IRA you wish to connect, such as a traditional IRA or Roth IRA. Next, Betterment will prompt you to link your existing IRA account. Choose your current IRA provider from the list provided. If your provider is not listed, you may need to select the option to manually enter your account details. Follow the on-screen instructions to retrieve your IRA account information. You may need to provide your IRA account number and the name of your financial institution. Some providers may require you to complete an authorization form. This form may need to be printed, signed, and either uploaded or mailed to Betterment. Once you submit the required information, Betterment will initiate the transfer process. Keep in mind that this transfer may take several days to complete. Check your Betterment account periodically for updates on the transfer status. Once the transfer is finalized, you'll receive a notification confirming your IRA is connected. Now, you can set your investment preferences within Betterment. Determine your risk tolerance and desired investment strategy. Set up automatic deposits to fund your IRA on a regular basis. You can choose an amount and frequency that works best for your financial goals. After setting everything up, review your investment portfolio and adjust as needed. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your IRA to Betterment for automatic investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.